access, the right price of the laptop being bid to councilors in order and if it reflects whatsoever. So that will not happen again. Di ba? Critical, but you all know the solutions. That should be So to end this, we just approved our 1.5 billion budget for next year for the whole population of the local government unit of Samalaylan. Now, we approve kahit sa national good. Pagkakaroon, mapanapurba ang national budget for next year. But on our part, it has already been approved months ago pa, way before the deadline, and that will fuel us to operate next year. But is it only the one that we can source funds for CLRMs? No. We have local access. We have a plan to load. And then we also have national funding to serve the more people. Sama isa na natin ito. Okay. Isa pagulong nakasaka pagulong mo ito. Umuang kaya po. Simitado na. Mga semento na. That is an insertion of that dito. My point is, it is an insertion, but it's not those. So my point is, na yung kapatid, hindi kayo sa local government, ang buhat like roads, bridges, that big ticket project, more than 50 million, that's national. Because we are only allowed to do, if we have 1.5 billion budget, 20%. How much 20% of the 1.5 billion? 300 million? 200 million? That is only the one allowed for the cost of the roads, bridges, whatever. So it's very small. So we go to Congressman, we go to Senator, please help us. Like insertion, dali ko, from one desk and Marcos, when will they decide? When will they go out? No? So, I think that ends my question. I am now open to answering questions. I will answer